Alright, hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I'm going to be doing a Shea Moisture unboxing. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari and my channel is all about informative beauty from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you go ahead and put on your post notifications so you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world, okay? Before we continue this video, I do want to say that this is being filmed from my phone, so quality may not be as good as you are used to with my regular camera. Currently, my main computer is down, so I'm not able to edit like large files or anything like that. So I decided it would be best for me to just film it on my phone so that I can go ahead and straight upload it and just keep up with my filming schedule, because right now technology is a little bit down. But I'm going to take it in on Tuesday to go see what's going on with it. And hopefully we can be back up and running by next week. Okay, you guys? So bear with me on that one. So let's go ahead and let's jump into today's video. We are going to be talking about, of course, Shea Moisture. If you did not know, I am a Sheabassador for Shea Moisture. So they sent me a box. They send us a box every month full of goodies. If you have not seen my previous Sheabassador videos, I will put them above here and a link down below so you guys can go and check out my Sheabassador videos from months ago, as well as just before I became a Sheabassador. All the things that I talked about, my favorites, all that will be there as well. Now, let's jump into this box. This is our last box for the Sheabassador of 2018. If you guys do not know Sheabassador right now, we are in like a contest. So they will pick a winner that will end up going to New York for a makeover and all that fun stuff. So this is the last box, and when we will find out the winner, I think January or February, we'll find out the winner or whatnot. But this is why we are doing the Sheabassador, or this is a part of the whole Sheabassador movement, if you guys were not aware. But this is our last box, and the reason why this last box, I decided to do a little bit differently. I'm not going to be doing like a demo with this box or anything, because this box, I already have a video. I have multiple videos on a few of the items in this box, so I don't want to kind of like repeat myself, because I have videos already that talk about these products. But these are my favorite products. Like, this is a line that I first started with. Let me show you guys. So this is the Sheabassador box, the last one that we got for 2018. And okay, so this line, the raw Shea Butter line, I don't know if it was their first line when they first started out with Shea Moisture, but my first product though from them was the raw hydrating body wash. This one right here, you guys, this was my first product from Shea Moisture. So when I saw this, it kind of just brought back like memory lane. I was like, oh, when I first tried them out, and I was so hooked like when I first tried them out. But I will have a full link for the videos to my review on this, and also to my review on the raw Shea Butter bar. But what I'm going to do is we're just going to go through this box. We're going to talk about it. I'll do a little bit of a demonstration with lotion so you guys see the consistency of it and all. But that's what we're going to do. We're just going to do an unboxing for this video, okay? And plus, because my editing is down, you know. So, yeah. So, let's go ahead and let's jump into this video. First, let's start off with what this box is all about. This is the raw Shea Butter and with fragrances and myrrh. Our raw Shea Butter collection lavish skin with intense moisture, moisturizing vitamins, and fatty acids made from our family recipes. The products are formulated with only the purest raw Shea Butter. I love Shea Butter. Sourced from 15 co-ops in northern Ghana as part of our purpose-driven community commerce business model. Fragrances and myrrh can contain restorative and aromatherapeutic properties to soothe the skin and senses, you guys. And this line smells good. I am a warm girl. I like vanillas. I like coconuts. I like warm. And this is just, and I like earthy, but not too earthy. So this is like a earthy, warm mixed scent, and I love it. I love it. So, pretty much it just shows you all the products that are in here. We're going to go over all these products in a moment. I'm going to show you guys all these products up front, row, and center. And of course, you can find these products at Ulta. You can find them at Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS. I will have all links down below for you guys to go and check out all of these products. And anytime I do a video, all product links are down below, including all the Shea Moisture videos. You can find the links where you can go and click and actually purchase those products, okay? So let's hop into this box. Let's see where we're going. Let's see what we got. See where we're going. See what we got. The first thing that was really cute that stood out to me was this Shea Moisture heart. Looky, looky, looky. So cute. And you just hang it on something. You probably put it on your keychain. It's kind of big for a keychain, but you can hang it somewhere. It's really, really cute. Okay. The next thing we're going to talk about is this duo. So we have the Shea Moisture Hydrating Body Wash. And this is a dry skin. So if you have dry skin, this is really good. And like I said, this stuff is really moisturizing. If you watch my review video on this, so moisturizing. I remember when I first got this, that's when I fell in love with Shea Moisture. Okay. And then we have the raw Shea Moisture Hydration Lotion. And I love this stuff. Oh, as you guys can see, I've been actually using it. I know. I have been using it, and these are 13 fluid ounces, and I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what the consistency of this lotion looks like. It's really thick. Like, I always thought their lotions were like not really lotions. I'm like, they're too thick to be lotions, but this is what it looks like. Hold on. This is what it looks like. It's very thick, and then you just rub it in to the skin, and I like to use this all over the body. You guys, this stuff, this is like the OG of Shea Moisture. Like, the product is like one of the first products that they came out with, or at least from what I saw in drugstore. Like, this was the first one, besides I think like the lavender and the coconut and hibiscus. Like, this was one of like the OGs. Oh my gosh. And it just smells so, so good. Okay, moving on, they have travel size lotion and body wash, which is really needed currently right now. So like, you know, if you're traveling to go see family for the holidays or anything like that, this is a really good thing to have in your purse or to throw it into your travel bag. And you can always refill these. That's why I like this little mini bottles. You can always refill them. So I love that. And these are 3.2 fluid ounces. Next, we're going to talk about the raw Shea Butter bar. This was another one of the first items that I tried out by Shea Moisture. I think the liquid was the first and this was the second, but I will have the videos and everything linked down below. And yeah, same thing. This one smells just like the liquid soap. And what I do, actually, I think I'll save that in another video for you guys. If you guys want to see how I make my Shea Moisture bars last longer, comment down below and I will share with you guys a little secret of mine to share how you can make this bar go a lot longer for you and you're not wasting it, okay? Because you can waste a lot of product with this bar, especially if you're using it wholly in the shower. So I have a way that I actually lengthen how I use this bar. So if you want to know, let me know down below, okay? All right, you guys. And lastly, we have this raw Shea Butter ground coffee scrub. It looks like this. And you guys, I have not used this before. Is this straight coffee scrub? I didn't even open it or anything. Let's take a look together. Oh, it's straight coffee. Now this is interesting. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is straight up coffee. Is it all just coffee? Can I drink it too? Can I put it and drink it too? This is just a coffee scrub. You guys see it? It smells like straight up coffee. But it also has that frankincense and myrrh smell to it as well. It's ground coffee, organic shea butter, and sea salts. Interesting. So you guys know what? Actually, you guys, when I can get everything fixed with my computer and stuff, I definitely will be doing a review on this. I have never tried this before, so this will be something that I will be trying. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a full review on this one and just seeing how it works, because I've used a few coffee scrubs in my days and, you know, they never been anything that really wowed me. So I'm definitely wanting to go ahead and get my hands and try this out. So stay tuned for that. All right. But you guys, that is it for the Shea Moisture unboxing for our last Shea Moisture box. It just brings me back down memory lane as far as like, you know, the products that I gotten in the that I've tried when I first started with Shea Moisture. So it's just kind of like, oh, you know, like just revisiting those feelings of when I first started using them. And to this day, they're still good. They're still staples of mine in my rotation. Shea Moisture has been hands down, you guys, my number one skincare go-to, not just for the face, the body, from lotions to body washes to even body scrubs. Right now I have their what was it, the purple bottle superfruit. That is my favorite body wash, along with the Shea Moisture, the Shea Butter one here. And also I like their African black soap bar. I use that for face and body. As you guys know, you hear me rant and rave all about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any Shea Moisture favorites, let me know down below. What is your favorite Shea Moisture product or products? Because I know I just don't have one. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.